Good morning, students. In this class, we discuss about RMS value. So, what is RMS value? It is the value of DC current. It is the value of DC current which produce heat in a resistive element for given time duration which is equal to the heat produced due to AC current flowing in the same resistive element for same time duration. Simply we can say that RMS value of any quantity is equal to the DC value of current which produce heat in a resistive element for a given time duration, or this heat is equal to the heat produced by AC current flowing in the same element for the same time duration. Means when heat produced by DC current is equal to the heat produced by AC current in the same element for the same time duration, then that value of DC current is known as RMS value of AC current. Now we calculate RMS value for different types of AC waveforms. First we calculate RMS value for sine wave. First is RMS value for sine wave. RMS value for sine wave. So this is the sinusoidal waveform 0 t, and suppose this is current wave Im. So function is I is equal to Im sin omega t and pi 2 pi. This is total time of one cycle. Now the full form of RMS means root mean square value. So first we take function I is equal to Im sin omega t. Then the square of this function is I square is equal to Im square sin square omega t. Now we integrate this function for the time duration. So RMS value IRMS is equal to square of IRMS is equal to 1 upon t 0 to t ft square into dt. For function ft, RMS value is find out as square of the function we integrate from 0 to t divided by total time. So for sinusoidal waveform, time is 1 upon pi, we take for half cycle. In a symmetrical wave, we take only for half cycle. So 1 upon pi, 0 to pi, function is Im sin omega t square dot d omega. Next 1 upon pi 0 to pi Im square sin square omega t dot d omega. Now next 1 upon IRMS equal to square is equal to 1 upon pi. We take common Im square and 0 to pi sin square omega t can be written as 1 minus cos 2 omega t divided by 2 dot d omega. So now we take integration. So Im square upon 2 integration of 0 to pi 1 minus cos of 2 omega t dot d omega. It becomes Im square upon 2 cos. Integration of 1 is omega t and integration of cos 2 omega t is sin 2 omega t divided by 2, and we put limit 0 to pi. So in this way we can find RMS value IRMS square. Now we put limit from 0 to pi in the given question. So next step IRMS square is equal to Im square divided by 2 pi minus 0 minus 1 by half sin 2 pi plus 1 by half sin of 0. So this value is 0 and this value is also 0. So it becomes Im square by 2 into pi also. Here pi. So pi to pi cancel. It is Im square by 2. That is square of IRMS value. So IRMS is equal to Im divided by root 2. This is the RMS value of current for AC waveform, which is sinusoidal. For sinusoidal waveform, RMS value is equal to maximum value divided by root 2. Or we can say it is 0.707 of Im. That is 70% of maximum current. So this is the procedure for finding RMS value for sine wave. Similarly, for square wave, RMS value for square wave. For square wave, this is the shape of the waveform. Its current is Im 0 pi 2 pi. Function is ft is equal to Im for 0, t and pi, or minus Im for pi, t and 2 pi. So for symmetrical wave shape, we take only one half cycle. So for this wave, function is I is equal to Im square of the function. I square is equal to Im square. So IRMS value is equal to IRMS square is equal to 1 upon pi 0 to pi function का square Im square dot d omega. So we write 1 upon pi and Im square is constant. We take out an integration of 1 dot d omega t from 0 to pi. It becomes Im square divided by pi, and integration of 1 is omega t. We put limit 0 to pi. So it becomes Im square upon pi into pi minus 0. So next is Im square divided by pi into pi. Pi to pi cancel. So Im square IRMS square is equal to Im square or IRMS is equal to Im. So in case of square wave, IRMS value of quantity is equal to the maximum value of that quantity. So this is the RMS value for square wave IRMS, that is equal to Im. Next, for triangular wave shape, that is RMS value of triangular wave. RMS value for triangular wave. Shape of the wave is this. This is the triangular wave shape. Time t 0. If we take current function Im, maximum value, and this is the t. We take total time as t of this wave, and function is ft is equal to, how we can write function ft is equal to, from it is a straight line from 0 to t by 4. It is t by half and it is t by 4. So these two parts are equal in magnitude. So for function we can find it is a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. C is constant 0 because this line is passing through origin. So now function becomes Im into x, mx plus c is equal to 0. So c is 0, mx. X is Im, so we write Im, and m is equal to v2 minus v1 upon y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it becomes t by 4. If we take t, this is t by 2. Im t into t by 4. So it is 4 Im upon t dot t. This is the function for triangular wave shape. Now we take RMS value for this given function. So ft is equal to 4 Im t upon capital T. Square of ft is equal to 16 Im square t square upon capital T square. And IRMS is equal to the function ft. We take current value. We are writing this function for current, so we write current I. So here we can also write function is of current, so I square. Now IRMS square is equal to 1 upon t. We are taking quarter side, that is t by 4. We write t divided by 4 and integration of function 0 to t by 4 ft square 16 im square t square divided by capital T square dot dt. Now this is common constant part. So 4 into 16 divided by t की power 3 and integration of small t square dot dt from 0 to t by 4. Now we take integration of t square, that is equal to t cube by 3, that is 4 into 16 divided by t cube im square and integration is t cube by 3 from 0 to t by 4. Now the IRMS value becomes IRMS square is equal to 4 into 16 im square into t cube into t by 4 की power 3 into 1 by 3. t cube से t cube cancel and 4 into 16 divided by 4 into 4 into 4 into 1 by 3 into im square. So this is cancelled. So function is im square by 3. IRMS square is equal to im square by 3. im square by 3. So IRMS is equal to im by root. So this is the RMS value of current, that is im by root 3 for triangular wave shape. In this way we can find RMS value for sine wave, square wave and triangular wave shape. Next, there are some factors One is wave shape, form factor and peak factor. Formula for form factor is equal to FF is equal to form factor is equal to, what is the value of form factor? RMS value divided by average value. Peak factor is equal to maximum value PF. Maximum value divided by RMS value. This is the formula for form. Now first we take for sine wave. For sine wave, form factor is equal to FF is equal to RMS value is IM by root 2 divided by average value is 2IM upon pi. 2IM upon pi. IM to IM cancel, so it is pi by pi into root 2 divided by 2. 2 से 2 cancel, so pi by root 2. This is the form factor and its value is 1.11. Its value is 1.11. Peak factor is equal to maximum value, that is Im, divided by RMS value Im bata root 2. It is under root 2, that is 1.414 for sine wave. Second, for square wave, form factor is equal to RMS value is Im, average value is Im, so form factor is equal to 1. Peak factor and maximum value is Im and RMS value is also Im, so 1. So in this way, for square wave, form factor is equal to peak factor. Third is for triangular wave. Form factor is equal to RMS bata average. RMS is Im by root 3 and average is Im by 2. Im to Im cancel, so it is 2 by root 3. Peak factor is equal to maximum value is Im and RMS value is Im by root 3. Im to Im cancel, it is equal to root 3, 1.73. But in this way, we can find RMS, average value, form factor, peak factor for sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, etc. So thank you for today class.